All right, here we go. This is my attempt to actually do some headlight restoration on this 2007 Toyota RAV4. The headlights is basically, having a hard time getting through this plastic. So really it's just to try and see what we can do to make it actually a little see-through again. Anyway, I'm gonna do something different though. I'm gonna use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser because reading on the ingredients on this is actually melamine foam, and basically it's formaldehyde, melamine, sodium, bisulfite, copolymer, which actually really is a like a super fine sandpaper. So I know there's a lot of products out there that that people use, but I use Mr. Clean's all the time in different applications. So I'm just gonna experiment, check it out. We'll see what happens. So what I'll need is this, plus I also use this cleaner wax by Meguiars all the time. It's like my favorite thing to use for pretty much everything. But anyway, let's see what it does and check out if it'll work. All right. So basically, to use this item, you put some water in here. You make it into like a wet sponge almost, and then you really literally just apply it on. So we'll do half of this and see what happens. So here it is. Let's clear it up. Wet it. And then so see if we can make this thing even better than what it is. So just wetting it here and really applying. I'm gonna do this half. So let's go ahead and apply it. And obviously this is in real time. Check that out. I knew this was gonna work. Knew it. All right, so it's gonna haze up, I know it, because as soon as you do that, it hazes up. And then now, I'm taking my cleaner wax, and this is also gonna, because we pretty much, I believe, we pretty much kind of like almost sandpapered the lens. Take some cleaner wax. And I use Meguiars to do these kind of things on different surfaces. It just works, man. I don't know. I don't limit it to paint. I do a whole bunch of stuff with Meguiars. It's my go-to, and it is the Meguiars wax cleaner. All right. So now that we've applied that, check that out. Holy moly. I knew it would work. All right, so that's one way to use a magic eraser. Look at the difference. And the difference. All right, I'm gonna do the rest. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, that was so easy. Only took less than really a minute or two. All right. Whew. That's amazing. Look at the difference between this side and this side. Okay. I knew this would work. Look at that.